Is matcha the overlooked daily ritual that could boost men's energy, focus, and health without the downsides of coffee? Matcha is finely ground powdered green tea made from shade-grown leaves, and because you consume the whole leaf, it delivers concentrated antioxidants, nutrients, and a distinct umami flavor not found in brewed tea. For men juggling work, family, and fitness, matcha's combination of caffeine and L-theanine often produces calm alertness, improved concentration, and reduced anxiety compared with sudden coffee spikes and crashes. A notable compound, EGCG, is abundant in matcha and has been associated with cardiovascular support, metabolic benefits, and cellular protection in many laboratory and human studies, though individual results vary. Concerns that green tea drastically lowers male testosterone are mostly based on animal research or high-dose extracts, and typical culinary matcha intake is unlikely to produce significant endocrine disruption for most men. Still, men with specific hormonal disorders should discuss regular matcha use with their doctor, because individual medical histories and medications can change how any supplement affects hormone balance or metabolism. Caffeine sensitivity varies widely, and while matcha offers a smoother lift than coffee, consuming multiple servings late in the day may compromise sleep quality and recovery for athletes and busy professionals alike. Because tannins in tea can inhibit non-heme iron absorption, men prone to iron deficiency or those on blood thinners should time matcha away from iron-rich meals and consult medical advice if concerned. Quality matters, so choose ceremonial-grade matcha for ceremonial sipping, organic options when possible, and avoid sugary, processed matcha beverages that mask flavor and add empty calories. Start small with half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon daily, observe how your body responds, and consider matcha in pre-workout routines or mid-afternoon rituals to replace heavier caffeinated drinks. Beyond health, matcha offers a mindful ritual. Whisking, inhaling its grassy aroma, and savoring small sips can promote stress reduction and a moment of calm in a hectic day. For fitness-minded men, matcha's mild metabolic boost alongside protein, rest, and resistance training can support fat loss and endurance without the crash associated with high-sugar energy drinks. Ultimately, matcha is a versatile, evidence-backed choice that suits many men's lifestyles when consumed thoughtfully, but personalization, moderation, and medical context should guide regular consumption today. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can bring you more practical guides about food, health, and curious rituals.